Oh, good afternoon. Welcome. I'm Patrick Johnston, managing broker of GoDominicanLife.com and LasTerrenasLife.com, your real estate company here in the beautiful Dominican Republic. Look, I am sitting in a place that I love to go to. This is pretty well halfway between Las Terrenas and Puerto Plata. I'm about 5 minutes outside of Cabrera at what is called the Flor Café, or like the floral cafe. It's stunning. It's stunning. I come here, I have homemade Greek yogurt with honey and nuts and raisins, a fresh coffee ground right here, roasted right here. Sometimes I even have breakfast. But the point is, I want to show you what is here, because this is going to be your favorite stop on your route of the North Coast. So, ready? Go check it out. How is that for peaceful? You know, everybody needs a little break on the road. You could do a typical Tim Hortons or a Starbucks if you're in North America, but here, the Flor Café is just beautiful. Do yourself a favor, take 15 to 30 minutes, relax on your 4-hour or 3.5-hour drive from Las Terrenas to Puerto Plata. Stop here, you're gonna love it, and you're not gonna regret it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Of course, we're always here to answer all your questions. Make a comment, make a suggestion. We hope to see you soon here on maybe a house hunting trip really soon.